She. Settle in now. Let your eyes soften just a little more. Feel the air around you. Still, safe, soft. The day has ended. The noise has faded. You've done enough. Now, it's your time for rest. Let your body relax. Head, shoulders, arms, and back. Let everything become heavier, sinking into your bed or chair. As if the earth herself is holding you close, you may hear the hush of a distant breeze. You may feel a quiet stillness in the room, or you may simply drift with the sound of my voice. Breathe in deeply, through the nose, and out, like the evening wind, through the trees. You are calm. You are safe. You are ready to dream. Now, close your eyes if you wish, and come with me. Because. Our story today begins. Story begins to 200 to 1,000 words, on the edge of the great woods of Ellenmere, where the silver light of dusk kisses the tops of pine trees, and the hills roll in soft velvet shadows. There, nestled beside a quiet stream, stands a small round stone tower, cloaked in ivy, and crowned with a copper dome. Its windows glow gold with candlelight, and beside it, a wooden perch stretches toward the sky, lined with polished leather thongs, brass bells, and a single strong, gloved hand. This is the home of Merwin, the falconer of House. But Merwin is not what one expects of falconers in stories. No gruff shouts, no barked orders. No, she is gentler than the wind that dances with the trees. At this hour when the sun bows low and the owls stir in the woods, Merwin hums a soft, wordless melody that drifts between stone and sky. Each note carries on the breeze, like leaves spinning in circles, and the falcons listen,